Hey Alan, do you have any Buffalo Trace?
Oh, baby, that's a great question. I got plenty of Buffalo Trace, more than anybody you'll know.
Awesome, yeah. I just heard that their building got flooded, so I was a little worried that people are going to be out of it, so.
Well, definitely the production will be slowed down because they are definitely flooded right now as we speak today. Kind of scary. The whole bourbon world is in shambles right now. The biggest players in the game is flooded, straight flooded.
What's their most popular one?
Well, their most popular one, in my opinion, is Buffalo Trace. After that, it's this bad boy right here. This is the best value you could get right here, Eagle Rare.
I've been hearing about that one. I definitely got to try that.
Aged for 10 years, and it just goes down dangerously well.